If you want to delete your DAZN account permanently, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account is removed successfully. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the DAZN website or open the DAZN app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account you wish to delete. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found in the profile or menu section, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Find the subscription section. In the account settings, look for the subscription or membership section. Here, you will find details about your current plan and options related to your account. Step 4. Select account deletion. Within the subscription section, look for an option to delete or cancel your account. Follow the prompts to initiate the deletion process. You may be asked to confirm your decision. Step 5. Confirm deletion. After selecting the deletion option, you will likely need to confirm your choice. Follow any additional instructions provided and ensure you receive a confirmation that your account has been deleted. Once you have completed these steps, your DAZN account will be permanently deleted. Make sure to check your email for any confirmation messages regarding the deletion.